In this video, we'll look at intelligence sheets in Microsoft Fabric Plan, how to connect to a semantic model, and how I'll use it to build a dashboard. With intelligence sheets, you can build reports, dashboards, and run ad hoc analysis directly on top of your semantic models, or use data from planning sheets or Power Table. In this video, we will be building this dashboard from scratch. I'll pick my semantic model and create a new intelligence sheet. Here, I have access to a full visualization library. We have over 100 charts organized by chart families, and I can search for a specific chart type. Then we have matrix, table, Gantt, filters, and KPI cards. I can also embed a planning sheet or a Power Table sheet directly into the same canvas for integrated insights. Before we begin to build the dashboard, let me walk you through the toolbar and some key capabilities of the Intelligence sheet. The Intelligence tab on the toolbar contains sheet-level actions that apply across all visuals, including canvas settings, one-click themes, elements, and edit interactions. On the right, I have a dedicated filter pane for global and page-level filters that apply across the whole dashboard. As a best practice, I always add a filter even before I start building my dashboard. Below the filter icon, the bookmarks feature is also available. The bookmarks created by users in reading mode can also be shared with others. This makes it much easier to share your analysis without creating duplicate reports. Parameters can be used to store and reuse specific values from your report, or to trigger certain actions on your dashboard. Every visual component has its own dedicated tab on the toolbar. Here's the tab for charts, with all the customization options. I'll switch the toolbar to full view for easy access during editing, and back to the minimal view when I need a cleaner canvas. I'll start with a chart. I'll search for an integrated variance chart to compare actuals against budget, and then analyze the variances using the drill-down options. Next, I'll use expand and collapse on the axis and perform grouping to organize the data for better analysis. Finally, I'll customize the chart by adjusting the scale and changing the colors to improve readability and presentation. Let me also add a trend chart to see how performance evolves over time. Now, I'll add a KPI card to surface the headline metric. I'll break it into small multiples by product for a more granular view. Next, let's move to the matrix. I'll add the dimensions and measures from the semantic model directly onto the matrix. When I map data to the fields, variance and variance percentage are computed automatically, without any extra configuration. I'll add a filter visual and use it as a date picker, so the user can adjust the reporting period and explore different time ranges. Beyond dates, we can pick from different filter types to slice across dimensions and measures. We can also add a text box for the header and format it to make the dashboard complete. To collaborate with my team, I'll add a comment and tag a colleague right inside the sheet at the cell, row, column, or report level. Commentary respects the filter context and stays tied to the data. Each visual can be tailored using the Visual Properties pane, letting you add shadows, borders, and other formatting for a more polished look. With intelligence sheets in Fabric Plan, users can build powerful reports and dashboards that bring together analytics, visualization, and collaboration for integrated insights.